Power Query in Excel Online. We go to browser here, excel.new. Back here on the Data tab. Get data. Kind of a new menu here. So we're going to go from Excel Workbook. Browse OneDrive. This has some good data. Click Next in the bottom right hand corner. Choose one of the sheets. We'll see a preview. Great. Transform data. Okay, so let's try and extract the year from the date. So add column. Column from examples is a cool one. It's there in Windows. Just come over here. We'll type 2032. And it suggests year from date. Renames the file to year. Click OK. And then let's say that I want to see the revenue by customer and year. So I choose customer, choose year, transform, group by, total revenue, operation is sum, and we're summing the revenue column. Click OK. All right, there. For each customer and year, we have total revenue. Home, close and load. We have close and load and close and load 2. I don't know. Is this taking a little bit longer? 54 rows loaded. There we go. Look at that. Power Query in Excel Online. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.